Hey everyone, so it is just after 5 o'clock. I've just gotten home from work and this was waiting for me. So it is the Rebecca Quinn add-on book that goes with these two from Twisted Fiction. So I thought I would unwrap it with you. I did cut it open just so it would be easier for me to slide off, but coming from overseas, I appreciate that it was completely sealed in plastic. So especially when it's been like rainy on and off here. There we go. Oh, if you can hear that, that's my dog Lockie. He's having a nap after a stressful day. So that is the box that it comes in. I really like that. It feels quite substantial. So there is a bit of a bump on the back of the box, but it feels like it should be okay. The last time I got these two, they were packaged really well, so should be fine. Just going to open it. Yeah, so when you open it, got the foam. I'm really excited. I've been waiting for this since I think around my birthday last year in November. There are some dust jackets, reversible dust jackets, but I think they are still waiting for something and then they'll arrive. So that's that. So it is very well protected. That makes me very happy to see. Ooh. And there she is. I'm just going to really delicately take off the plastic somehow. Oh, my phone is deciding that it wants to lean forward. So I might see if I can fix that first. Okay, I'm back. So hopefully my phone stops drooping. But I also took the chance to use both hands to remove the plastic off this one. She's so pretty. So that will complete the set of the Brutes of Bristlebrook books. This is Entwined. You've got the other two, book 1 and book 2, book 3. So love the purple. That's really, really pretty. Again, the sprayed edges and the back. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm very much looking forward. Oh, that's nice. And the cover art, little bonfire. Oh, that's so nice. That's really cool. So yeah, when the dust jackets eventually arrive, I'll show them off as well. But I might do a few proper photos over the weekend of the set. I'm very, very excited to have this complete, and I will have to redo that shelf because I'll need them all to fit, so I might have to change things up a little bit again. But yeah, very exciting. Also super excited because the Sinners of Cyanide is coming out in November, the day before my birthday. Perfect timing. So I'm looking forward to that. Excited to jump back into the world and yeah, get to learn more about some of the characters we didn't really know a lot about overall. I think I can see it being a little traumatizing. I think it's going to be a little emotional. I can imagine, but that's the point. I'm very excited, and it'll be like a birthday present to myself. But yeah, so very excited about that. But I've been looking forward to receiving this parcel, and now that it's here, I'm very happy that it arrived safe. She's beautiful. These are some of the most beautiful books that I have, are the Twisted Fiction books so far. So they're gorgeous. They're so pretty. Anyway, there she is. Hope you're all having a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.